Fireball is Squeaky?
I knew there was more to Squeaky!
Yeah, way more. As in way more than I wanted to see.
Things are getting interesting. Finish that darkness creature!
I can't believe Bob is doing this! It's not his nature, is it?
Bob's nature. Allie, you're right. This isn't his nature. Tatsurian! Hold! You can fight Skycrusher's will.
Destroy him, you worthless half-breed!
You're not a half-breed, Bob. You're a double breed, remember? Half fire and half nature.
Crush the boy!
That sword can't control your nature side. Use it as your strength. Fight him!
You never gave up on me.
I didn't come all this way to find Allie, just to lose you.
He resists the sword!